In this video, I'll teach you how to make sticky rice rolls. Spread the cooled down sticky rice out on cling film. Because sticky rice can be too heavy on the stomach, we have cooked it with some normal rice. To make 2 sticky rice rolls, we used about 200 grams of rice. Add a Chinese savory donut stick. You can buy it at a Hong Kong bakery or breakfast shop, but these are homemade. Add a few tablespoons of pork or fish floss. Lastly, add a few tablespoons of preserved mustard strips. Roll it up firmly.
Không kín đấy mà cái điều yêu cấm lại mà từ đúng mà.
You can eat it like this and take a bite out of the whole roll or cut it in bite-sized pieces. I will now make a new version with kimchi and tuna. Mix about 100 grams of canned tuna with a teaspoon of sesame oil. Cut some kimchi in small pieces. I still had some rice seasoning left, so I added it to the rice. You can leave this out if you don't have it at home. Spread the seasoned rice out on cling film. Add the Chinese savory donut stick. Add the previously seasoned canned tuna. Lastly, add the cut up kimchi. What is so good about sticky rice rolls are the sticky and chewy rice, the crispy and airy Chinese donut sticks, and in this case, savory tuna with crunchy, spicy, and refreshing kimchi.